Bloomington has now joined Normal in agreeing to a pause for a sales tax where money goes to mental health services and safety. Taylor Fleming joining us from the newsroom to break down what you need to know. Taylor?
Janice, the 20-year intergovernmental agreement was signed back in 2016. The fund has been used to pay off debts for the McLean County Jail expansion, upgrades to the county's computer system for first responders, and money going to the Bridge, the new non-congregate shelter from Home Sweet Home Ministries. Although the sales tax for the Special Mental Health and Public Safety Fund has been paused by Bloomington and Normal, that doesn't mean that goods will suddenly get cheaper in stores. According to Bloomington Mayor Dan Brady, clauses in the agreement allow for a pause, which they put in place for 1 year. The money will stay in the city budget, specifically allocated for mental health, until the council would allocate it somewhere else.
What hasn't changed in the last 10 years, especially when it comes to government services related to mental health, and the pressures that have been put on all government when it comes to mental health services.
Without contributions from Bloomington and Normal, there would not be enough to fund the systems for the remainder of the 20-year agreement. Whether there is enough funding for the next year or two is the point of contention between the governments. City and town officials say there are $20 million of unspent funds that the county has collected. The county says most of that money has been earmarked for mental health and safety programs. The chair of the county board says all the officials are united in that they want to see the money out in the community, and they think that an audit is a good idea. All three governments have approved an audit of the fund.
So I think once we can get the audit, that will give us the same footing for actually hammering out what does that agreement, what is excess, and what could a pause, kind of pause might we be able to look at.
The county board has not put a funding pause up for a vote, and if they do, it will be after an audit is complete. Janice?